Hey, what's going on? The printer guy here, and in this video I'm going to be printing off some regular documents on cardstock paper, and I'm going to be printing on photo paper, different photos, smaller photo paper and then larger photo paper on the HP Smart Tank 6001. So we're going to start out first off with the cardstock paper. This is cardstock paper that I'm going to be linking down in the description below. But if this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be linking also, along with the cardstock, a lot of other products I end up talking about, the photo paper I use, and this printer, of course, itself, along with also remanufactured or third-party ink that we here at Best Printers do sell. So that will also be linked down below. So this is the first project we're going to be printing. This is just a variety of different pages that you would want to print out, maybe if you were homeschooling or you had a class and you were a teacher, printing off some different pages that you can actually print on cardstock, and then you could actually laminate these, which is what we ended up doing for ourselves. I am using the HP Smart app to print this specific project, and this what's actually printing out actually is on regular paper, and then I'll come back and do it on cardstock paper, so you can kind of somewhat tell the difference between those two types of paper. You can see this paper is really thin. Next up, I'm going to be using the cardstock paper, so there's going to be a good contrast between those two. When I'm using the HP Smart app, there are a lot of different settings that can be adjusted. You can select the type of media that you're using, and you can do something similar on a Windows or Mac computer, but you definitely would want to have the software, or rather the drivers, downloaded, and you could adjust the same exact settings. I'm choosing to do it this way. This is the cardstock. You can tell that it's cardstock. It doesn't bend very easily. Now I'm going to be printing on photo paper. This is 4x6 photo paper, a lot smaller than the next size up that we're going to actually print in this video. But 4x6 photo paper, HP photo paper, and really great quality. Came out excellent. You need to make sure to adjust the settings if you're using the HP Smart app or your PC or laptop. Just make sure you are selecting the right size. Now we're moving up to 8.5 by 11. This is a larger photo paper size, and there are sizes in between these and smaller than what I've done, and of course larger, but you do have to buy a larger format printer. For this specific printer, 8.5 by 11 is pretty much the largest you can go when it comes to printing photo paper. Now, if you notice on the print quality section, I clicked best and then paper type, photo, paper size, letter, and so I'm printing from the main paper tray. I'm just selecting all of the different options. Color options is color, of course. I don't want it black and white. So the print settings are fluid. They can be changed to what you want them to be. The one thing you want to make sure of is you're always using the right type of paper type and the paper size. Those always need to be constant and the same. You don't want to change those too much. The quality, the color option, you can change those things, and there are some other options as well when it comes to glossy and matte photo paper. You may be able to get those options on PC. On the app, the HP Smart app, those are a little bit more difficult to find, depending on the printer that you're using though. So the ink bottles on this printer are not that expensive, but if you wanted to save even more, even 50% off of what you normally would pay for ink bottles, you can use third-party ink. Best Printers, we sell third-party ink, either from our brand or an approved brand that we recognize. So I did a comparison video. I'm going to be linking that video at the end of this video, and I basically take two different HP Smart Tank 5000s and I do a comparison between the third-party ink and the HP ink. So check out that video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked two videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.